Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the E sharp minor chord. You'll notice that the E sharp minor chord is in fact precisely the same as an F minor chord. Have a look. If this is an E minor, an ordinary E minor, if I have to sharpen all the notes, if I sharpen the E, one key this way, this key F will in fact be called E sharp. If I sharpen the note G, it'll be G sharp. Right? And if I sharpen the note B, it will be B sharp, although it's the same key as C. So there you have it. The E sharp chord is exactly the same as an an E sharp minor chord is exactly the same as an F minor chord. Alright? But for our purpose, I'll still call this note E sharp, and I'll call this note for B sharp. And of course this one for G sharp. So, because the E sharp minor chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This one is called the root inversion or root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom of the chord. To make our next inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, E sharp, all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called E sharp minor first inversion. To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord, the G sharp, all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called E sharp minor second inversion. And now you'll notice if we move the bottom note one more time, making one more inversion, the B sharp, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord. Just like the one we started with, only 1 octave higher, right? And of course we can go the other way, down on the piano, E sharp minor root inversion. To go down, move the top note of the chord to the bottom, move your hand. This is second inversion. Move the top note of the chord to the bottom. This is first inversion, and one more time. The top note to the bottom, root inversion of the E sharp minor chord. Okay? Let's do it one more time. Root, first inversion, second inversion, back to root inversion, and starting with root inversion again, top note to the bottom, second inversion, first inversion, root inversion. Now to practice these inversions, simply play like this. You can also practice your inversions using arpeggios like this. There you have it, the E sharp minor chord. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.